guys, it is me, Gaming Doggo, and we are back with another video of Dog and Bird Gaming. And today we are playing Bad Monday Simulator, but we have a challenge. So Birdie's gonna be telling us what tips we should and what things we should do, the options.
And also, we wanted to introduce someone who's the bird from the new bird family. Isaac, shall we ask?
Chicken. Let's say hi to Chicken, guys. So she's a few
This
months.
is my new bird. I got her yesterday.
She's a few months old. But today we're gonna be playing Bad Monday Simulator. That's what we came here for.
I got this little chicken yesterday.
So Birdie.
Yeah?
So today we're gonna be playing on normal.
Okay.
Okay, what do you think I should use?
Pray.
Okay, pray. Big pray coming in. Normal prayed for a bit of help. Wow, honking. Oh wait, Alex! Hi, Alex, the honking bird. We're gonna put his channel link. We're gonna put his channel in the description.
If we can.
Oh, go ahead and do that. That was easy. You just stay in the bottom left corner. Birdie, which one do you think I should use next? I'm still on 100 HP.
Attack.
Okay, attack. Fight. Bam! Oh, let's go. Okay, that was good. Oh no, I don't like this attack. Oh, I'm gonna fail. Dang it, I died. It's hard doing it on the keyboard. I'm used to doing stuff on mobile, but now I'm a computer gamer. Birdie, which one do you think I should use first? Because I literally just...
Attack.
Okay, attack. Bam. Oh, that was a good one. It landed on green.
Nice.
Oh, the attack system in this game is actually different. So it was actually like a green line. Oh, I'm at 1 HP. Hold on. I need to see which HP I'm at. Hold on.
Guys, YouTube, did you hear the chicken beat?
Yeah, it's cute, isn't it?
Hold on. Comment down below if Zach gets his comments on. Comment down below. Chicken beat at the time that you find the chicken beat. The chicken beat is a Easter egg throughout this video, so that one doesn't count.
Okay,
That's your challenge.
I'm gonna do the spaghetti. I'm gonna do one of the spaghettis. Spaghetti. I have 23 HP. What should I do, Birdie? Okay.
Get your spaghetti.
Yeah, so I'm gonna use spaghetti. I'm gonna use lasagna at the last when I need it.
Zach, look at them. You're so cute.
In this episode, you're also gonna see a lot of deaths in this one. Oh, this one.
And you're gonna see a lot of cute birds.
Yeah. Okay, just move this. Oh, I'm actually getting used to this. Oh no, I need an item. I'm already at 1 HP again.
Item.
Okay, item. I almost used my lasagna there on accident. If you guys don't know what lasagna is, it's like a pasta. It's like spaghetti, but in like...
Hold on, no. If you don't know what lasagna is, heck you.
Yeah, heck you. And Garfield loves it. This was also created by Lumpy Touch. Go subscribe to him. Also, this is a message for Lumpy Touch. Make a patch where you can give Garfield your lasagna and then automatically win. And it would be like an achievement. Which one should I?
That was an idea by me.
I think we should do a pray. Buddy, shouldn't we do a pray?
Yes, we'll pray.
Pray. Oh my gosh, it was a fart. Oh, oh no. Dang it, I died. Alright, well, I gotta start over. Which one should I use first? I think I should use... This one will be a pray only. This one will be a pray only run.
Pray only.
Like, we can only use pray and item, and I literally just healed Stansfield even though he took no damage. Oh, jeez, I am getting way worse than before. No! What? No. No. If you guys don't know that I'm doing computer gaming, this is proof. I have a mouse right here on screen. And look. Let's go. Also in this game, you don't usually use the mouse, which is really actually kind of annoying. Oh, I can't do it anymore. No! Alright, we'll have to run the game again. That is Lumpy Touch.
Bad Bundle Simulator.
Birdie, which one should we use?
How high are you or low?
I'm at 100 HP because I had to start over.
Okay, then, just spam wish.
Oh, yeah, pray.
Spam pray unless you get too low.
Oh, wait, he's probably gonna get paralyzed. Yes, he got paralyzed!
Yay!
So, like, it gets weaker. Like, I think his attacks get weaker when he gets paralyzed. Oh, wait, he doesn't even... That's a skip attack! When he gets paralyzed, it skips an attack. It's only like a temporary paralyzation.
Is that Chicky is playing with Nuggets feathers?
Oh my gosh, that was a fart. Oh, the burger. You just need to move left and right, and that's all. You guys can play this game in the description. We're gonna put the link in the description too. I don't know if I can.
Yeah.
Like, we don't know if we're gonna be able to put the link in the description, but we might. But I only know about the itch.io version and like the Newgrounds version. I don't think you need to download it for this game on itch.io. Oh, this is bad. I'm already taking a bunch of damage. Oh, I get it now. So like on the bones attack, I think you needed like jump like really high and then press right.
Zach, can you be quiet for a bit? Because Chicky is trying to sleep.
Okay. Oh. from the gnat. Oh no, I'm super bad at this. I'm super bad at this one. Alright, one more try. One more try. Bird. I'm just saying it. Oh, past the fairy. That looks creepy. That's really creepy. What?
Chicky, shiny-eyed me.
Ah!
I'm dying.
I mean, I've never seen it drop this bad. Hey, Birdie, do you know what the pasta fairy gave me? A single noodle. Thanks, pasta fairy, for nothing. Oh, there we go. That's easy.
I will be right back.
Okay.
Be right back.
Oh, I'm actually doing better. Oh. I'm not doing anything. Like, I'm literally not doing anything. Oh, dang it! Oh well. So that's gonna have to end it for the video. You guys can also look at these new things. Welcome to the world of Undergarf. Lore videos. Hey streamers, look at this. I like this little thingy right here. Pookie Blaster, Prey, Rip, Angry Normal, Sad Normal, Lasagna, ZZZ, laugh, and then talk. Alright, thank you for watching, guys. Remember, like and subscribe to the channel and all that stuff. Comment down below. Comment down below chicken beep if you heard a chicken beep. If you heard a chicken beep, comment down below chicken beep and what timestamp it's at. And, goodbye.